Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in my HOBONICHI cousin, let's find the right page first, where I'm going to be decorating for the week of, that one? No, this one. Week of February 20th through to the 26th, and I will be using, I cannot speak, using stickers from Faded Chronicle. This is her Blue Garden collection. So I've already used some in my HOBONICHI weeks. I ordered her printables and printed it on the clear matte paper. I also printed some on the white matte paper. Let's get started. The first thing I actually want to do is take this and just go all the way across. Or do I want to just do like a little corner here and then the little corner here? I don't know. Do I cut it right in half? I think I might do. I might just cut it right. Oh, but if I cut it right in half, then, and if I don't put it straight down the middle, I don't think I will put it straight down the middle. I think I'll cut it there. Okay. Then I will place this piece on this side. Let's move that out of the way. These are such gorgeous stickers. And there. Oh, pretty. And it looks like it kind of lines up with the Tuesday. And then I'll put these ones on the other side. So instead of using washi, I'm using stickers to go all across the top. Whoop. Okay. I have to flip my planner upside down because this is precious, precious work. Okay. And I lined it up with the very top. Go down. Okay. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's pretty. That is very pretty. And I like it in the clear matte because I think it looks like it was printed that way. Then that sticker sheet's finished. And then I can add actually a few things in the middle. So I can add this floral here. Do I have any? Yes, I do. And then I have some of this here. Which one? Let's put this one. And just here. Just a little decoration up at the top to add a little something so the whole thing isn't blank. But I like actually using stickers instead of washi some weeks. It adds a little bit of something. Okay. I have these, which I could do like along the bottom. I think I'll do that. And this is where my meals will go. So maybe do this and then do this. And actually I'll just keep it like, maybe I'll keep it like that, I don't know. Or do I add these to just kind of add a little something? I mean, I could certainly just extend this all the way here and then just add that. Okay, that looks cute. Then I'll leave that just like that. Okay, and then is this, did I print this too big to place here? Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna like that there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna work on the sidebar and then I will focus on the rest of the sprint. So I'm gonna use my Tombow dual brush pen number 526 because I think it actually matches really well. And that'll be my header for my sleep. And then I will just draw out the graph where I keep track of my sleep scores. My sleep scores come directly from my Fitbit. So I graph how long I've slept, or the duration, and the actual score. So it looks very similar. Wow. Every time I try to show the graph, the week before isn't filled out. Similar to that. And then underneath, do the same thing, but this time it will be for a workout. And I'm slowly getting back into weight training. I've done, like, I'll do upper body once, and then I'll do lower body once, but then really using my indoor stepper. I think I will do this with my Platinum 3776. And my shoulder is thankfully improving a bit. I went to the acupuncturist this week, and she says that this is the most progress she's seen from me, which I'm very happy with. And then on the days in between, I use my indoor step machine, which I love. I do it while I am watching YouTube videos on pens, planning. There we go. Ooh. And then Saturday, Sunday. So the day I'm filming this, it is Saturday. And this morning I went skiing I did the private skiing lesson. And I am so glad that I did, because I absolutely loved it. Loved it. I'm actually pretty proud of myself for having done it. So, you know, I thought I was a beginner because I hadn't skied in over 15 years, and my instructor's like, no, I'm gonna put you down as an intermediate. Like, how affirming is that? I will put that down, and I think part of the sticker is gonna go off the page. So I'll have to cut that out so I don't get that stuck on anything else. And grab my scissors. Can you still see? Yeah, partly. So let's cut that part off first. I know I'm off screen here. Just wanting to cut that. Okay. Oh, much better. That's so pretty. So let's zoom out. Then down here at the bottom, I'm going to brush letter in the word meals. And this is where I keep track of my meals throughout the week. The next thing I'm gonna do is actually take my Tombow Dual brush pen in the color 526 and create headers for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for work. And then using my Platinum 3776, I will draw in the arrows for my work shifts, but not before I use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to write in the word work. All right, so now time to fill in the rest here. So I was debating what pen to use, because I really like this pen, but I don't know, let's just do it. Okay, so Monday it is family day, so there is no work. So I'm going to do my to-do list here. And that will be my usual meal plan, as well as order groceries. I think I'm also going to probably try head to the post office and drop off a couple of orders. Okay, and then, so that is basically my to-do list for the Monday. Tuesday, it is put out garbage. And what's important about that is that it requires an emoji. And I actually went through these the other day, just destashing a few and realizing that there's some that I use more than others, so why am I keeping everything? Yeah, so I have these ones from Paper Bits Co., which are adorable, but I want to use these ones before I start something new. So I'm going to use these ones from Let's Plan It and finish them before I start the ones from Paper Bits Co. And then I know I have, where'd it go? Yeah, I still have acupuncture on Thursday at 8 o'clock. And then grocery pickup it was nice actually to go through my stash of stickers because there were some that I hadn't used in ages. Pick up groceries. And then Lucy has a grooming on Friday. Her dog groomers is called, wait for it, Hollywood Grooming. How adorable is that? But they've actually been really, really excellent with her. She was very anxious about being groomed because she had so many mats when she was first a puppy, but they completely socialized her. They were so good with her. So 9 o'clock. Yeah. They were amazing. Hollywood. And then immediately after, I had appointment stickers somewhere and now I don't know where I put them. Oh, there. So just take these teeny tiny clock stickers. I love these. I love tiny icons. I'm actually considering creating tiny icons for my shop, like in both clear matte and white matte. If that is something you are interested in, please let me know. So 10 o'clock at WW Sherwood Park. I'm debating, and I'm doing this while you guys are here, debating when to go get my nails redone. I might do them on Saturday, but I haven't made an appointment yet. So then after that, you know, I had a whole thought process about wanting to declutter my house, but I think I'm gonna actually wait to do that properly in the spring because I'm still getting used to my whole work schedule as it is, and it's nice having those Fridays off. So I'm then going to spend the afternoon filming. And let's find my Planner Monkey Pro sticker. Put that there. And I'm gonna be filming a few things. So I will film my weeks, my cousin. Actually, first is the monthly setup. So monthly, and then the weeks, and then the cousin. And one of the things I need to get for myself or even make on my own is I want to create or find a bubble tea sticker, because Fridays are now bubble tea days with the kids. So let's use this emoji. Put that back for bubble tea Fridays. Do you guys call it bubble tea or boba? Cocoa. Okay. And then I haven't made any plans for that day. I don't know if Robin has skiing lessons on this Saturday. She said she doesn't, but I'm gonna leave that open for now. Then I have my team happy hour. We do this once a month where we have basically a team happy hour, drinks over Zoom, and I fold laundry while I do it. I'm very exciting on a Saturday night. I fold laundry while I have my team happy hour. Yay me. So, but you know what, the thing is, if I have a drink and I'm talking with people on a Saturday night, I don't mind. So team happy hour. And if we have no plans that day, actually, you know what? If we have no plans that day, there's a possibility we could take the kids to Galaxyland. Oh, there goes my computer starting up. Hold on. Okay, and then Sunday. Oh, I forgot to say the cleaner is coming that day. So once a month, I hire a cleaner to kind of just give me a bit of a break. So let's see. I have so many of these freebies that I really need to get them used, but Let's just pick a little one. Cleaner. And it's supposed to be really cold this week actually, so I think the cleaner is going to come at around time 9. Oh, let's put that away. So I know it's at the wrong hour, but I don't really care. Okay, I haven't smudged anything yet. Good. So the weeks that we have the cleaner, I take a break from cleaning. So then Henry will have ninja and wall climbing. Not, I think it was last Sunday, poor Henry, he was not feeling well. He had a headache, so he missed ninja and wall climbing last week. Not this week, but what day is that? The 12th. He missed wall climbing and ninja because he had a huge headache, poor kid. All right, which ninja sticker? These are so cute. Okay. 11:30, I'll just do it there. So ninja is 11:30 to 12:30. And then 1:30 to 3 o'clock. And then, you know what? I think Friday night we actually have dinner at my parents' house. So let's find that sticker, because my aunt is in town from Ottawa. So that's her last night with us. Oh, did I smudge again? Dang it. So then put that here. So I will have to fold laundry on the Saturday. Dinner with family. Perfect. Okay, so those are all the things that I guess I need to have in here in terms of events that I know are happening. Gosh, let me clean out my stickers here. And then anything else I will just add in as the week goes on. But it's looking pretty good so far. Looking like a fun week. I do have to confirm whether Robin has skiing lessons that day. If she doesn't, the kids have been asking us to take them to Galaxyland for a whole day on the rides, and that might be the day to do it then, if we have that day. So just putting my stickers away clean as I go. That one's not in it. That one needs like its own category. So it looks blank, very, very blank. Now I feel like I can add a few other things here. Maybe I can add a sticker here. I want to add these pretty florals. Because if I do a movie with my husband that night, and actually normally Wednesday we don't, he normally goes out for open mic night, so I know I don't normally do this, normally a cut, but that doesn't look too bad. Then I will place this one just right here. I'm gonna keep it that simple. I don't want to add too much to it. Oh, I really like that. Let's actually move the pencil board so you can see that better. What do you guys think? I really like that. Ooh. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.